I will show you how to remove image background using PowerPoint. Now we'll insert some image. I will crop image here, this one. Then again I will insert another image, this one, and lastly I will insert another image, this one. Each of these images have a background. If we will make some logo here, some fill, outline, make it darker. If we will put here, right click, then front. If I put here, it's not good looking because it's showing there is a corner or a rectangle. Now we will remove that background. Just click this one and go to format, then here remove background. As you can see, we have some image here that not included if we will remove that one. So we need to use this one. We have options here: mark areas to keep, mark areas to remove. Example, if we will keep some areas here, see this one. If we want to keep this one here, we will just click this one and put our pin dropper here and click, so it will coming plus again. Then if we will click this one, keep changes, automatically the background will remove. Look, again this one, if we will put in front of this oval, it's showing the background also. So now we need to remove that one. Again, just click this one, then make sure this tab format, then remove background. Look, it's showing the head of this fish, it's removed. Now we will use this one, mark areas to keep, then select this one. Look, this one also. Okay. Again, if you want to remove some areas here which you don't want to include, instead of mark areas to keep, you can use this one, mark areas to remove. Just click this one, then example, you don't want to include this one, just click that one, click that one, click that one. Then if we will click this one, automatically it will remove. However, that part is important because it's part of the fish. So we will, what I did is I just only press Ctrl Z to undo. Now I will click this one, keep changes. Again, background is removed. Then look, this one, right click front. If we will put again here, still there is a background. Now we will again select this one and remove. Here, if we will keep this one, some of the parts of the fish is removed. Then I just press Ctrl Z. Again I will click remove. So mark areas to keep, then I will select this one. I will select this one. Then I need to remove this one. So mark areas to remove. I will remove this part, this one. Then I will select this one. I will include this part of the fish, this one. Okay, and keep changes. So if I drag here, look, now I can put some here, see, false. So this is it. This is how to remove the background using PowerPoint. Thank you and God bless.